My name is Malört. I'm from Chicago, and I just drove up to Milwaukee today for CypherCon 7. I'm super excited to check this out. It is Wisconsin's largest tech conference. I honestly don't know a lot about this industry, so I'm excited to learn. I'm also pumped to just check in and get my badge because there are these really cool light up things, and I saw people connecting to other people, and I think it's a game. Maybe you win something. I don't know. That'll be fun.
Oh, and the goal is to get all of it to be green.
You know, maybe a little nervous coming in because I feel just not as knowledgeable as other humans are who are here. But I'm excited to just learn new things, meet people, make some friends, play some games, hang out. I do not take any pauses. I'm sorry. Once I get going, I'm like blah, 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 blah.
Welcome to CypherCon 7. And the after party is a charity casino that we encourage you to make a heist. Don't let the pit bosses catch you.
There's a blackjack.
Sorry. Words are hard. Okay. Yesterday was so much fun. My first CypherCon was a blast. I learned a ton. My Okay. All right, I'll wing it.
Yeah, just wing it.
After I checked in, I went to a bunch of different villages. There was a table that focused on mental wellness and your well-being and burnout within the industry. I really appreciated the career development table. It really helped you prep for finding a job and a career in this industry, which is helpful, especially if you're new. I was also really surprised to see how much art there was present at the fest. There was this one table in particular. This man took old, non-usable computer parts and turned it into art, and it was really beautiful, and part of it was interactive, so when you spin it, it lights up. There was this huge board of LED light bulbs that would take computer images and project it through these light bulbs, individual LED bulbs. It was beautiful. So fun to see the retro game room. There were a ton of games from my childhood that I forgot about, like Oregon Trail. I'm a child from the 90s, so I definitely appreciated seeing those old apples from the 80s.
Shit.
They also had a contemporary game room with a lot of familiar games that we've all played before, but they hacked the games.
Oh.
So you might have played this game, but you've never played it like this.
So, I see.
Hell no.
And now you have to go back through the other ones.
And do it all over again?
Yes.
I was excited to see safe cracking, lock picking, and they also had handcuffs
Is having something like this with
and doors. That was really fun to play with. There are so many different talks to choose from by experts at the cutting edge of their field, whether it's AI, cryptocurrency, biohacking.
So I figured this is kind of the talk that only I can give. Okay, maybe a few other people, but how many pilots are also doing cybersecurity have also been through something like this? What lessons can I draw from this?
This year's theme is Casino Heist. And so the party last night was a big casino. They hired actual dealers. and they gave us play money, and they had games like roulette, blackjack, poker, and we were encouraged to hack the system and cheat and find ways around the game's rules. It was a really fun time. So that was my first CypherCon. I had so much fun. I met some really interesting people. It's a great welcoming crowd, and I'll definitely be back next year.